Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Highlands County in south central Florida, eastern Hardee County in central Florida, south central Polk County in central Florida, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles southeast of Wauchula, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Avon Park around 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Crooked Lake Park, Cruiseville, Frostproof, Sweetwater, and Avon Park Executive Airport. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Hardee and Polk. Flood warning.